What's up, guys? We are in Oak Forest West, northwest part of the city, in a home built 1950s, 1956 to be exact. And this is a home that I visited at an open house listed by my good friend Kim Luker, who is the listing agent on this home. So, just quick location of this home, which is the northwest side, and right here is Highway 290 that leads inside the loop. So, say you work in downtown Houston Heights near North Side and the Washington area. So that'll just drop you in maybe a 20-minute commute, maybe 15 if no traffic. And so that's where it's at. And so just showing you the outlook of what the street looks like. So you get a mix of mid-century modern that looks like a new construction home, a second house. The one in the corner looks like a renovated home. So this is a one-story where they removed the two-car garage and actually put an extra bedroom in it, brick home. And so the deets on here is a four-bedroom, three baths, built 1956. The
Yes,
square
that's
foot
what
on
I'm
this thing is 1,700 square
trying
foot
to
plus on a
do.
7,200 square foot lot. And so the seller is very
And
motivated, offering a
she's
1 year
also a
home
realtor
warranty and
and
1 year free
yeah,
lawn care. And so not in a
super
flood
nice
zone.
lady.
HVAC components have been replaced, PEX piping, new water heater, everything's under warranty. One of my favorite parts is the backyard and the original hardwood floors. And there's that extra room I was telling you about where the garage was. So comment below on what you would do. I would turn into a bike studio because I'm a cyclist. So maybe put in two or three of my bikes in there. So you have the offset shower, the guest shower when you have or bathroom when you have your
Yeah.
parties. The
Oh wow, look at this
outside is one
backyard.
of
It's
my
super nice.
favorites because you had the landscaping and that fire ring. Of course, right now it's pretty chilly in the 30s and 40s. And then you have the sun covering. And so when it definitely gets hot, so having that sun coverage right there means a lot when you're barbecuing or having entertaining your guests. So yeah, I mean, this is a excellent home, whether you're looking to get closer to the city, upsizing, spreading out without having a two-story. So everything here is functional. And but you are missing that garage part. So if you're looking for a one or two car garage, this may not be the house for you. However, just come take a look, see if you can make it work. If not, then maybe we can go on to another one. So yeah, lots of big spaces in this room. So this is something I'm looking for. I'd love to show you today or tomorrow. All right, talk soon.